Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. In chapter 4, we are going to discuss about three topics, that is CHD, back pain, prevention of lifestyle diseases. In the chapter 4, we have to cover actually vital signs, lifestyle diseases and its management. In that, we are going to cover only three subheadings today, that is CHD, back pain and prevention of lifestyle diseases. CHD or coronary heart disease. CHD is a type of heart disease that develops when the arteries of the heart cannot deliver enough oxygen-rich blood to the heart. It is a leading cause of death in the world. CHD is often caused by the building up of waxy substances inside the large coronary arteries. This buildup can partially or totally block the blood flow in the large arteries of the heart. CHD or coronary heart disease develop when the coronary arteries become too narrow and the blood flow gets stopped. This may lead to death. CHD develops when the major blood vessels that supply our heart become damaged. Cholesterol containing substances in your coronary arteries are usually blamed for coronary heart disease. The coronary artery supply blood, oxygen and nutrients to your heart. A buildup of plaque or cholesterol containing substances can narrow these arteries, decreasing the blood flow to your heart. Eventually, the reduced blood flow may cause chest pain, shortness of breath, or other coronary diseases, signs and symptoms. A complete blockage can cause heart attack. If your coronary artery is narrow, they can't supply enough oxygen-rich blood to your heart, especially when it is breathing hard, such as doing exercises. That might lead to death even. The causes of CHD: smoking, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetics, not being active, or living a sedentary lifestyle are the major causes of CHD. Let us see the signs and symptoms of CHD. Chest pain, shortness of breath, heart attack, pain in other part of the body, sweating, difficulty in breathing, discomfort, fatigue, headaches are the common symptoms of CHD. Let us see how to prevent CHD. A lifestyle modification is the best way to prevent CHD. Adopting a positive and healthy lifestyle will help us to prevent CHD to an extent. Quit smoking, control conditions such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol and diabetics, eat low fat, low salt diet, eat vegetable and whole grains, maintain a healthy weight, reduce and maintain or manage stress, exercise and fitness, healthy eating habits are also beneficial in preventing CHD. A latest study says that 540 million people are suffering with back pain. That means one person out of 10 people have back pain issues or issues related to back pain. Weak postural muscles and ligaments at the back is the main contributing factor of back pain. The major reasons of back pain are overuse, such as working out of or lifting too much of weight, prolonged sitting and lying down, sleeping in an uncomfortable position, or wearing a poorly fitting backpack. Let us look into the causes of back pain. What causes back pain? weak postural muscles, diseases in joints and bones, lack of exercise, deficiency of calcium, unhealthy habits, weak muscles at the back, weak ligaments at the back, weak abdomen muscles, malnutrition, vitamin D deficiency, structural deformities, injury are the major reasons of back pain. How can we manage the back pain? Back pain can be managed by strengthening postural muscles, a lifestyle modification, having a healthy diet, practicing of exercises, yoga and meditation, alternative treatments, physical therapies, treatment for vitamin D deficiencies, keeping pillow under the legs while sleeping. That means correcting your wrong practices. Sleeping on firm surfaces, giving sufficient rest, taking a balanced diet are the ways we can manage back pain. Tell us some techniques to manage the problems of back pain, which we have discussed earlier. Prevention of lifestyle diseases. What are these lifestyle diseases? Diseases linked with the way that we live our life are called as lifestyle diseases. They are non-communicable diseases. At the same time, these certain habits push us towards stopping from doing regular exercises, following a good diet, etc. These things lead to many diseases, like which we learn back pain, osteoporosis, or obesity, etc., etc. So people say the recent study says that 75% of the world are moving towards these kind of lifestyle diseases. So this is one of the major health issue in the world now. Diseases that are caused by partially by unhealthy behavior and partially by other factors are the major reasons of lifestyle diseases. This can be tackled by changing ourselves or moving to a positive lifestyle. Let's understand more about it. Lifestyle diseases are defined as those health problems that react to change in lifestyle. All lifestyle risk factors have one common property. They make breathing heavier and they reduce the supply of the oxygen in the body. Cell hypoxia, a condition of absence of enough oxygen to sustain the body function, is the driving force of lifestyle diseases. In the picture we can see there are many reasons and diseases are given. So all these are the examples of lifestyle diseases and their reasons. Prevention of lifestyle diseases. How can we prevent lifestyle diseases? Lifestyle diseases can be easily prevented by a change in our lifestyle. Let us move to positive lifestyle with a positive attitude. Let us quit smoking. Stop consumption of alcohol. Replace junk food with healthy food. Monitor the weight and control the blood sugar level. Maintain good diet. Good diet means a balanced diet. And last but not the least, Exercise regularly. The importance of physical activity. As we all know, physical activities have a number of benefits. It reduces the fat, increase the lifespan, oxygenate our body, strengthen muscles, manage chronic pains, reduce diabetic risk, okay, boost mood, okay, decrease stress, reduce blood pressure, maintain mobility, improve memory, etc. Let's work on the following given questions. Find the answers and prepare your own notes.